Okay, should I wear this?
Do you think I should wear this?
Really good.
I wear suits to do videos.
How do you guys do this? Jesus Christ.
No.
Or this.
I kind of like this. That's okay. It's like, I'm gonna wear this. This is what I'm gonna wear. Anyhow, so see you guys in the video.
You're saying words I can't avoid. You put a stop to all the noise.
Okay, so welcome back to my channel, and I'm King David. For those of you that don't know me, I'm King David, and today we'll be talking about a very, very interesting topic. This topic is diverse. It touches every corner. Oh my God, Jesus Christ. Before we even start, I just want to say Happy New Year! Happy New Year to everybody. Happy New Year to fans. Did I see my phone? Already.
Bruh.
Today we're talking about 5 tips and tricks to always look good in pictures. Listen, before we even start, let me just say something. I have seen a number of pictures. I done Instagram last year, September, and I have seen pointed times. I have seen corners of things that I'm not supposed to see. So I started this video for everybody. I know this is a question that's coming from all the sides, how to always look good pictures. And today I'll be answering that question. So let's get into the video. Follow everything, and trust me, if you do follow everything, that's all I can say. Okay, so number 1 tip is, drum roll please, use makeup.
What the hell?
Okay, hold on, boys, calm down, because I know I have stepped on some vipers and rattlesnake tails. Calm down, boys, I'm coming to you. First of all, let's talk with the ladies. Ladies, number 1, use makeup. Let me explain what I mean by makeup. Okay, so ladies, you could use heavy makeup or light makeup. Heavy makeup in the spring, then light makeup. You can see the differences. For some of you that might be asking, what is light makeup, what is heavy? Light makeup is just, you're using powder, a little bit of eyeliner, and my sister, keep quiet. Using a little bit of eyeliner, then let's see lip gloss. Why heavy makeup? Anything above that, when you have foundation, eyelashes, fake eyelashes, then lipstick, then you are using heavy makeup. Don't use too much makeup. Calm down. What I mean by makeup, let's be guided here. Your makeup, don't let it be too much to the extent where we as guys don't even recognize you again. We're like, oh my God, like, did God create someone new? You understand what I mean? And please, your makeup should be not too heavy and not too light at the same time. The reason why most guys are always like, they don't like girls with makeup. They prefer when a girl is natural.
Bruh.
Ladies, let me be real with you all right now. The reason why most guys say they prefer girls with their natural beauty compared to makeup is because of the time when you guys are on makeup, when you guys apply makeup, you guys you tend to completely look different. Like not extremely, but to an extent. Because we're used to seeing this particular kind of person, then we see our makeup, we're like, Jesus. Wow. Then another day we're like, oh my God, what's the life?
What happened?
You get that kind of thing. Exactly. That's why some guys say they prefer girls with their natural beauty compared to makeup. I'm serious. Like, that's the main reason why guys do that. Why you guys say that? Not because we don't like your makeup. Any guy that says he doesn't like your makeup, they lie. It's a lie.
Why you always lying?
They just try to like be guided. They want to like protect themselves from hurt, facial hurt. But yes, use your makeup. You guys are also with makeup. Use makeup if you have to, heavy or light, whichever one makes you look finer or more beautiful. Okay, now to the guys. Okay, now let's talk like men. Here, please stay in one place. When I say use makeup, this is what I mean for guys. Brush your hair, comb your hair, comb your beards. Use a little bit of powder, and you're fine. You're good to go. Trust me, you'll be hot. You'll be hot. That's you'll be hot. The girls will say you're hot. So don't just go outside to go and take pictures anyhow.
Yeah. Look, you just wake up from sleep. You have only brushed your teeth. You've not had your bath. Your hair is scattered, and you want to go and take pictures. And you expect yourself to look fine. It's not possible. I don't care. It's not possible. You cannot be fine.
Number 2, dress well. Dress well. Listen, you've done number 1. Listen, if you fuck number 2 up, you are messed up. Yeah, sorry. Before we continue, I just want to say,
Like, subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Share to your friends. Girls share. Boys share. Men, children, all of you share. New subscribers, old, upcoming, all of you. Just share. You understand? Subscribe, please.
back to the video. This is a very simple but misguided tip. Listen, when I say dress well, don't go and dress like this uncle right here. No. Listen, when you're Jesus Christ. So when I say dress well, I mean your clothes must match. Wear matching outfits. Not like matching outfits, not like you wear blue. No, that's what I mean. Your shoes must complement what you're wearing. It's not like you wear a very beautiful gown like this, then you're not gonna wear one tattered. You wear this stupid like kind of shoes on it. Please, no. You will not. The picture will not be fine. Only let's say if you're working with a corporate shorts. That means okay, then you might not really care about your shoes. But if not, please, your shoes, very important to your dress, they must go. Don't go and wear something like you're wearing a gown or you're wearing a suit and what you're going to put on that suit is a Timberland. Can you imagine that? For girls, they are wearing gown, what you're going to wear is now, let me see, pass.
No! God, please, no! No!
Don't do that, don't make that stupid mistake, oh, please, let's be guided here. This is 2020. Jesus Christ. Sorry you guys, I had to go and change. For some weird reason, it's very cold this morning. But not that cold that I had to wear this coat. You should get the point.
Bruh.
So, number 3, wear glasses. What glasses does in this case is just defines your face shape and your facial structure. It makes it look more real. Now, like a square face, you wear something like a circle-based glasses, you look more defined. And when you look more defined in your face structure, you tend to look finer. Number 4, learn how to pose. You need to know your right angle. You need to know what part you look at the camera that gives you your best look. For me right now, it's whenever I look to the left or on camera, it looks better than when I look to the front or to the right. That's for taking pictures, but when I'm doing videos, when I look to the front, it's actually better. So for girls, I'll put some Instagram pages here to check. If you want to take some pictures and you don't have to pose, just use some of the ideas. For guys, you can use these guys, some other people get. Number 5, edit your Instagram pictures. I say Instagram, edit your pictures before posting. This is like the most important tip amongst everything. Why I'm saying editing is because editing makes people fire. When you know how to edit your pictures properly, your pictures will come out good. Look at
This picture of me. 3 years ago, unedited, I didn't apply anything we just talked about. Now look at this picture of me with this beautiful lady. Oh my! The day I saw this picture, I was like, when I edited it, I was like, David. Can I that fine?
So yeah, that's the end of the video. Please like, subscribe, share.
Bruh.
Oh my god. Please don't mind him. Like, subscribe, share. Follow me on Instagram, follow me on Facebook. Links will be here. Yeah, so before we go, you guys comment on the looks, like the first movement that you saw. Comment on the attires you wanted me to wear. Comment on the look that you preferred. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So see you guys later. Bye bye. Happy New Year again. Yeah, kind of. I think that's well, go now. I'm doing cooking camera. Obviously, oh my jeez. Come on, say hi.